Hey YouTube, it's Derek back with today's video. This is about the Thinkware F800 2-channel dash cam. 3 weeks after I purchased my car, brand new, the 18 Camry you've seen the videos, somebody hit my driver's side door. Wasn't able to locate the individual that did it. Basically a hit and run. Cost me almost $2 out of pocket because I didn't want to file an insurance claim on a brand new car. What made it so difficult was the car was so new, they didn't even have spare parts for it. So they had to actually order a brand new door from the factory, which took a little bit longer for it to get it fixed. But I'm going to go over the dash cam. I know a lot of you have been asking me to do this video, and I apologize, it's extremely cold out here today. But I wanted to get this uploaded so that you can see the benefits of having a dash cam, all right? Again, this is the Thinkware F800. It's not the Pro, it's just the standard one. But it's got a Sony sensor in it, and the video is crisp and clear. I'll show it to you once I get in the car. But from the front of the vehicle, this is what the dash cam looks like. Very low profile, you know, inconspicuous, unless you actually know what you're looking for. But most people look at that and think that it's a radar detector, right? Or maybe even like a Easy Pass or something like that, but it's actually a really nice dash camera. I'll go ahead and show you the back. Really inconspicuous. It's hard for me to hold the camera, but it's right there. And again, I'm going to show you some footage of the rear dash cam because it's really good quality. But it's rainy today, so it's, I don't know if you can see that. Maybe it picks up better on the video, but I can't see it on my iPad. All right, so let's get inside the car and I'll show you what's going on, okay? And here's the profile from inside the car. That's the front camera. And then I'll pan and you can see the rear camera. And again, it's the Thinkware F800 dual channel. So you definitely want to get the you know, both cameras because it you know, it watches the front and back. What's really cool about this, and let me tell you what, let me cut off the car, cut off the radio. And so I just cut off the car. The dash cam is going to set. You'll hear it set itself.
Parking recording will now start.
Okay, so the car's off, right? As you can see, the car's off. And this particular dash cam is hardwired to the battery, so it stays on even while the car's off. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to get out the car and I'm going to show you what happens. Okay. Now I just shut the door. I'm going to walk around the car so you can see. And again, I'm in the front of the car, right? Now watch what happens when I get back inside the car. In fact, I'll do the back as well. Right? So the car's completely off. You don't hear anything. Now notice when I get back in the car and I turn it back on, what happens. Okay, I'm back in the car. I'm going to turn the car on. It'll cycle up.
During parking mode. Motion detection recording. 3 and event detection recording. 1 occurred.
Okay, so it's letting me know that it
continuous recording will now start.
Right? So
GPS connected.
all right.
On your smartphone, connect to a Wi-Fi network whose name starts with Thinkware.
That's probably the only part I don't like about this camera is it pauses, it cycles to the next set of you know, set of options on the menu, and then it cycles, and then it pauses, and then it cycles. But you know what, overall this is a great camera, and I'm going to show you some things. So I get in a car and it tells me that motion detection and an event occurred. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, so 2 steps, right? It's connected to Thinkware 42. Now I'm going to
Connected to a smartphone.
right now you see the app. I'm going to show you something. So I'm going to click on live view. Okay, that's what the camera is looking at right now. Sorry, I'm a little challenged because I'm holding the camera at the same time. But so this is what the camera's looking at, right? And as you can see, right, looking back at the camera, so you see and you see, right? Now when I click on this little app, if I click this little R, see that little R? It's going to show me the rear view. So that's the rear view, right? And if I look to my rear, right? I don't know if you can see that, if it's picking it up, but yeah, I'm a little challenged because I'm holding the camera, but that's the rear view. So now I'm going to go to the file list. Okay. Now parking, you see it has a bunch of features: continuous incident, motion detection, parking incidents, and that's what I'm going to go to because that's what it told me would happen. All right. Now if I click on see? Oh, it didn't pick me up in the rear. That's interesting. Well, but in the app itself, what's really cool is, you know, you can keep videos, so you can actually download videos. In fact, I downloaded 2. So that's really cool. It'll give you the option to save whatever videos, and then you can actually send these videos to yourself. So for example, like if I wanted to send, and again, I'm sorry for being, but you can see I can export, and then I can send the video from you know, my photos in the iPhone here. But it's pretty cool because, again, with the car off, oh, let me go ahead and cut this thing off. Okay, so I'm going to
Disconnected from a smartphone.
So you saw that. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect completely. And again, what's really cool about it is the low profile of this camera. I compel you to get it because, again, anywhere I park now, be it if I go to the store, you know, wherever I go to movies, if people see the camera and they know what it is, they tend to park away from me, or they're very careful around my car because of the camera. It is a darn good investment. The camera itself, excuse me, I should say both cameras and installation was a total of close to $600. The back camera, okay, which is the second channel, is $99. Now, here's the deal. You cannot purchase the front and back unless you actually buy it from Thinkware on the website. I got mine from Best Buy, and I ordered the rear camera from Amazon. It came the next day, and Best Buy installed it within literally 35-40 minutes. And again, you can see the wiring is nicely done. It actually goes through the front of the visor here into the panels, up through this panel here, up through that panel here. You take the panel off, you wire it all the way around the car, and in the back you can see how the wire is, again, it's positioned through the cover there. So low profile, not a lot of wires hanging around, and a really good system. So again, I compel you to go out and get this. This is a Thinkware F800 with the Sony sensor that is amazing, particularly at night. So it picks up really good at night. Matter of fact, I'll add some night captures to the video once I post it online. All right. Again, I appreciate you, and but again, I wanted to get this up because a lot of people have been asking me about it. I know this is a pretty cheesy video because it's quickly done. I'll once the weather breaks and it's warmer, I'll do another one, and I'll have somebody with me so that I can show you other features without the camera jumping around. All right. I appreciate you. I appreciate you all. I thank you. Please be safe out there. And I'm going to do a follow-up video on the Toyota Camry because I'm at 13,000 miles now, and the car has been amazing. Everyone, and please subscribe, please like, and I'll keep bringing the videos to you. Okay. Be safe out there, and till next time, take care. Bye.